Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The car's almost done. One more day. We take it back home tomorrow. We got the last stretch and it's almost ready to go. So we put the carbon tubs in. We painted the firewall. We painted, there's a few pieces that we had to paint yesterday, but it's pretty much complete. Just a few more. I put the Zeus in yesterday, painted the firewall, painted the steering rack here. As you can see, the carbon tubs are in. Very nice. Put that carbon sheet in the middle there. I gotta get some Zeus. Just a little view of all this carbon here. I'll show you a little video of Ronnie doing carbon tubs and sealing the sides. Carbon tubs about to go in. All right, guys, we're molding the tubs to the body. As you can see, Ronnie here, he's applying the carbon sheets to the body. So like they're like 2 inches sheets. You put them on the sides and then you put resin. And then you have to put these, what are they called, Ron?
Peel ply.
Peel ply. So these white sheets here, they'll make a finish like this, where it's a smooth finish rather than a coarse finish. So we're using carbon everywhere, so that way they're going to be molded all the way to the side there. We also got the diff assembled. Oh yeah. Diff here. We got the new brakes and rotors, 5/8 studs, ultra case. That's a 40 spline ultra case. The axles are in there, the brakes are in there. We're waiting for the tubs to be molded. Once those are done, then we can toss the diff in. Yep, I think we're almost done, the last little bit. So let's wait for this to dry and we'll put the diff in. All right, so day 3, fast forward a little bit. We ended up putting the diff in. We took the car home. I actually drove the thing through a blizzard. It was a snowstorm halfway going home. Unfortunately, there's a lot of snow all over the place. But yeah, we drove it home. It's all back together. I wiped it down. Still a little dirty, but it's back together and it's back home. So here's the diff all assembled. Still have to clean it up a little bit. Let's see if we can see the whirling bars. Good. Yeah, so we put it on the scales and we were pretty blown away. If you can see the right side of the car and the back looks heavier. That's because the 4-link bars are preloaded, they're not set up. So the 4-link bars on a suspension like that, you can turn the bars and you can move the weight around. That's why you see more weight on the rear right and on the front left. That's because the top rear bar has too much preload and is putting more weight on that wheel. But yeah, 1,300 pounds, that's pretty mind-blowing. So once we put the engine, the trans, the nitrous, the CO2, the windshield, you know, it adds up. So we're thinking it's gonna be maybe 2,250, 2,300 pounds without me at the end, said and done. So this has been a crazy build. Thanks for following, subscribe. I'll probably put another video on this series where we button it up and put everything back together. I'll put the dash in, I gotta wire it up, but I gotta put the side skirts back on. I gotta put everything nice and pretty, maybe get a detail too. So thank you very much, take care.